So Colin came up to me and wanted to start a YouTube channel.
Hey, he come to me with a camera in his hands. He offered me. I didn't ask him. I wasn't posting up on TikTok. I was running from that. When I was young, I was in that. I already went through that. I had that. I built the studio. Let's Get Redstone. Minecraft Let's Plays. Horror game reactions. I had it all. I looked out, I said, this is a bigger jail than I just got out. I don't want to take my time editing videos. I've got a life and too many bills and projects. What the hell I want to go around and go edit for? Up dudes? Time crunch? I've got all the time crunch in the world. I am the crunch, man. I run the grind set guy. I grind who's, what's, when's, and wherever they do with it. What am I gonna run around like some influencer shilling for ads and subs? I make the subs, man. I stuff the sandwiches. The grinder is mine. I make the hoagies.
Watch.